Hello, my name is Guadalupe Hernandez. I am a multidisciplinary artist based in Houston. This piece behind me is La Pesqueria. It's a scene of a fish marketplace in Mexico City. My work deals a lot with going back and revisiting these places of my childhood in Mexico and documenting them. From those images, I create oil paintings, which develop into these cut paper pieces, and they're all inspired by the tradition of papel picado.
The influx of so many different people arriving here in Houston from around the world is very impactful on my palette as well as my canvas as an artist.
I started using just junk material, pieces of steel that I could find. I'd go to junkyards, a couple of fabrication plants that would let me go through their dumpsters. And so that's really kind of what led up to this eventually. Having all the museums and the galleries in Houston when I was young, I was a big influence on me. To see all the work that we had here in town really got me serious about making my own.